Hi there everybody, on today's video I have this Peugeot 3008 2018. I'm just gonna show you where you can top up your screen wash fluid. So if you run out of the fluid that washes your windscreen, then this is what you need. And obviously you need to get your bonnet open, and the bonnet release, it's on the passenger side here, so you need to open the door and then open the bonnet there. And once you pull that there, your bonnet will lift up a little bit, and then you need to get your hand just under the bonnet and push on that little thing there, and that will allow you to, so that will release this here, which then it releases it from there, and you can then lift your bonnet up and put that yellow thing there will be sitting here. So you lift it up and just put it in that hole, hold the bonnet, and then the screen wash fluid actually goes in this tank here. Mine is already full. I filled it up today, and basically this is the fluid that I use. I normally buy the concentrated one and mix it myself. So now we're going we'll be coming out of winter a little bit, even though it's still quite cold. Not sure we're gonna get freezing temperatures anymore, so you can dilute your fluid. If you buy the concentrated one, you can dilute it a little bit more water and less fluid. But obviously when it comes into preparing for next winter, you want more of the actual fluid and less water, so it doesn't freeze. But this fluid is really essential, especially if you're in a motorway and a lot of cars splashing lots of rubbish to your windscreen, and you want to clean your windscreen, and if you haven't got fluid, you can't clean it. Also, I don't recommend putting in washing up liquid into the tank. It's it becomes a bit like jelly in time, so just use the proper stuff. Mix it with clean water. Also during winter, if you just use water freezes as well. If it's minus something, it will freeze and it won't come out. So always use the stuff. It's cheap enough anyway. You can buy this from any petrol station. You can buy the ready concentrated one, which is normally the one they sell, so you can just pour it straight in. You don't have to mix it or do anything yourself. So having said that, I hope the video helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.